Hey, hello programmers. In this video, we will be seeing the time management. Yes, how to save your time and how to be productive in respective of your fields. This concept applies to everybody out there who is wasting their time. I'm your insomniac programmer. Let's get into the video. So guys, when I say time management, it is not only about managing the time. It is also about the discipline, the hard work, the perseverance, and the dedication. So, usually I would say that a person with no goal wastes his time. So, first set the goal, whatever may be your interest, find out yourself and fix it in mind. If you do this, almost 50% you are succeeded. So, what comes in remaining 50% is your time management, your dedication, your hard work, and your attitude. So, how do you manage the time in order to achieve that remaining 50%? So, yeah, okay, let me take you through an example, so that you will have an idea on how to incorporate in your life. So, let's make a simple math. Say, suppose you're an college student or a working professional and you have got 24 hours total, and let us think that you may spend approximately around 8 hours in college or office, and you have got 15 hours left. And as per, yeah, of course, as per doctor's advice, a person needs a minimum of 6 hours sleep, so you are left with 10 hours. And let's say maximum 2 hours for your personal work. Say for example, your daily activities like watching TV, playing games or series, etc., something like that. So let's say maximum 2 hours for your personal work. So finally you are left with 8 hours per day, that is around 56 hours per week and 240 hours per month. It's a huge number, right? And you have to ask yourself that what do you do with this time. And if you say, if you are neither a student nor an employee and just out of college searching for a job, this should be a big question for you guys. So if you want to learn anything with an interest, you don't need more than 3 months. You have a lot of available time. Make use of it. There are plenty of available resources based on your interest. Just explore. As I said in the previous video, just get out of your comfort zone and work hard. So how do you do that? What is the secret? There is nothing secret. It's a very simple. First, decide your goal, divide it into modules. After you dividing it into modules, make a roadmap for it. First 2 days, make a complete research on the area of your interest and explore how to start. One suggestion I would say I would give is that always start from the basics, because if you jump right into the middle, and when you are in trouble you'll feel helpless. Say suppose when you are stuck in something, you need you are you don't know how to proceed, you will feel helpless and you feel like quitting. That's the advice I would always give. Always start from the basics, don't quickly jump into the middle. And the next thing is that learn and practice. I would say that learn and practice must be in a single step, because say suppose if you are learning some new concept today morning, try to practice the same concept on the same day, because when you do so, it will be difficult to forget that particular topic. So always learn and practice. When you do this, when you do this after 2 to 3 days, you will definitely you will feel like quitting. Yeah, of course, even I felt like that. At the end, what matters is your attitude on how you see your goal and how adamant you are in achieving it. There is nothing much more important than trying to achieve your goal. Yeah, that's all for the video, and I would like to conclude with a quote that belongs to OnePlus, that is very close to my heart. Never settle. For me, this quote is like a chant. It has so many meanings to understand. Never settle is not just a two words. It says never settle for small things. Don't put yourself in your comfort zone and explore yourself more. Dream big, never give up. Think wisely and manage your time and never settle. So guys, if you like this video, subscribe the channel, and if you do not want your friends to waste a lot of time, please share it with them and win together. Thank you.